This is a VBA programmed Excel tool that helps users to instantly create fixed asset registers for numerous numbers of assets in fixed asset categories. All you need to do is enter the asset type, purchase date, and others descriptions for the assets. Also very important is the cost of the asset and the useful life in months. Then specify the start and end date of the schedule you want and click Run. After a little period of time, the VBA code will run and provide the very detailed fixed asset register with the depreciable amounts properly spread across each month of the useful life of each individual asset. You can then sum up and extract the report into a new file, Rainmate, and then store anywhere on your computer. You can check the link for other open source documents like this, or contact me for any ideas or improvements.